Okay. Hola Barcelona. I'm very happy to be here with you. How are you feeling? Are you excited about the event so far? Are you doing great? Too bad Bitcoin can't say the same, you know. He's not doing so great, but that's it. Um, yeah. Um, Before throwing stones at me for what is written on the screen, this is not news. This is happening every bear market. In my personal opinion, I think Bitcoin dies at least 1,000 times every bear market. As a funny thing, Bitcoin is dying searches on Google hit an all-time high this month, surpassing the previous all-time high from 2018. Yeah, so who is experiencing its first crypto bear market right now? Not so many, but I feel you. I feel you guys. I've been there and I know the feeling. So what leads to this? We still have many issues in the crypto space. We have some issues regarding the high risk. We have price fluctuation, and the price fluctuation in crypto, I think, is the biggest of them all. We also have market manipulation. There are projects in which some of the wallets are having the bigger part of the tokens or the liquidity, and it's easy for them to manipulate the market in a way that the most people lose money. And it was the ICO fever back in 2017, where there were a lot of scams. And unfortunately, there are scams also now because being still in an unregulated space and almost having zero responsibility for the founders, we still have a lot of scams in the space. We also have issues regarding the complexity of investing in crypto. We have the multitude of tokens in crypto. It's very hard for the usual user to filter through all of these tokens. We also have a massive amount of research you need to do in order to make a good investment. And last but not least, there are a lot of security concerns. Where do you keep it? Where do you have the custody of the digital assets? Also, the private keys, and so on. So these were exactly my issues when I first started in crypto back in 2017. And I did a lot of mistakes back then. But I knew one thing. I got very, very passionate about crypto when I first heard about it. It was about Ether back then. And I wanted to do one thing. I wanted to do a lot of research and improve my knowledge. And this is exactly what I did. I started learning more and more about blockchain, about crypto, and being involved in the space more and more. A lot of friends and partners came to me. I have a background in construction and real estate. So this is like traditional markets, you know. And when I got involved in crypto, the dynamic was very, very big. And as I said, a lot of friends and partners came to me and asked me, Liviu, is this a good project to invest in? Is it a good time to invest now in crypto? Where do I keep my Bitcoin? Where do I keep my Ether? A lot of questions that people had and wanted an answer. Just a disclaimer, I wasn't back then, and I'm not now, a financial advisor, but I saw a lot of needs that people have. So there were three big categories of needs that people had and still have in crypto. People want safety. People want their investments to be safe. They also want simplicity. They want a straightforward way to invest. They want to skip the headache and the complexity of crypto. And let's be honest, guys, everyone is in the market to make profits. And at least greater than inflation, which proves to be quite a challenge this year, isn't it? Yeah. So I started thinking very much, what is the answer to all these problems that people have? Sorry. I think we have a technical problem. Okay, so the answer, guys, after a long wait, it is Imperium, the crypto index. We developed a tool similar to the S&P 500 index, but for the crypto market. It's basically a tool that helps you to keep your funds always in the top, in the top cryptocurrencies. How we are doing that? We develop an algorithm, the SRR algorithm. I think it's a sexy name. And what it does, it rebalances your portfolio. It does market checks every few seconds, and in a matter of minutes, it rebalances your portfolio. So basically what it does, it keeps you protected from individual token crashes. When you think about Luna, when Luna is exiting our index, we are selling all the position and buying the new token which took the place of Luna. So think about that. Which is the Imperium index, you may ask? It's not only one, but we have many. There are 6 sets of indices. Imperium 10, 20, and 50, with or without Bitcoin. This is the difference between them. We have the Imperium 10, 20, and 50 with Bitcoin, and the Imperium 10, 20, and 50 altcoin versions, we are excluding Bitcoin. All the indexes are excluding stable coins and wrapped tokens. That's not all, there's more. What is Lex, you may ask? Lex is the token which is fueling the Imperium ecosystem. It's your way in the indexes. By holding the Lex token, you can access the Imperium indexes. Lex has multiple functions that can increase your amount of tokens. You can stake it, you can make liquidity providing with it, and also the third mechanism, it's a mechanism through which the Lex holders can access the Imperium index, can benefit from the Imperium indexes without being invested in the Imperium indexes. I'm not allowed to say more right now, but all I'm gonna say is gonna be huge for the Lex holders. How it works? It's like magic, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you are all smart investors. Yeah, so first, you go to a KYC AML procedure, which takes under 1 minute. You purchase the Lex tokens, you invest in Imperium, and then you are issued an NFT, which is your undisputed proof of ownership of the underlying assets. Who are the Imperium investors? On the first hand, we have the traditional investors. We have the banks, we have the hedge funds, we have the VCs who wanted to have a similar investment tool that they have in the traditional markets, and they missed that investment tool in the crypto markets, and now they have it through the Imperium index. We also have the crypto enthusiasts who like to access the crypto functions, the DeFi functions like staking and liquidity providing, and they can do that through the Lex token. And basically we have everyone. We have crypto beginners or investment beginners who now have a straightforward way to invest in crypto through the Imperium indexes. We are also thinking about all the safety measures that we can do to protect our investors. So we have a crypto license, a VASP license, virtual asset service provider in Lithuania, and we are fully regulated to function all across the European Union. Okay, so I think we see a lot of potentials here. We have big plans, big goals, and I'm very excited for what's going to be next for the Imperium indexes. Let's go a quick run through to the roadmap, what we managed to do, where we are now, and what we plan to do in the future. We have the ideation phase. We are working on this project for more than 1.5 years, and we did the market research. We finished last year with a proof of concept to validate our algorithm, And now, we are in the seed phase for the Lex token. We aim to be live at the end of this year. At the start of next year, we'll be launching more specific indexes like DeFi indexes, Metaverse indexes, exchange token indexes, and so on. And till the end of the year, we're going to have a license on every continent to have a global presence and to reach mass adoption for the Imperium indexes. So, thank you guys. Wait. One more thing, please. We did a lot of talking about the Imperium indexes, how good it is, how it works. But does it really work? Let's find out together very quick. So, we developed a simulator which simulates your investment in the Imperium indexes. I will need one volunteer from the audience to help run two scenarios, one for a bull market and one for a bear market. Who want to join me, please? Anyone? Thank you. Which scenario do you want to have? Which scenario do you want to have, a bull market or a bear market? Okay, so let's run a bull market scenario. You can choose the investment date and also the cash out date for the course of the last year and simulate your investment in any of the indexes that we have. Which index do you want to choose? IM20. Okay, so Imperium 20 with Bitcoin. How much you want to invest? 1,000? 10,000? Dream big. $1 million. Okay, let's go. $1 million. So we're on the simulation. A quick captcha. I hope it's good. So what we can see on the first column, we can see the market share of the crypto projects inside the top 20, the market share, the amount of Bitcoin and Ether and so on that the algorithm bet for you, and the total value. And also on the second column, you can see the structure of your portfolio at the cash out date. If we go down below, we can see the return on investment. You almost doubled your money. And also we have a comparison. What would have happened if you invested purely in Bitcoin, $1 million, and what would have happened if you invested in Imperium 20? So almost for the whole period, Imperium is performing better than Bitcoin. So let's run another simulation for a bear market. Thank you very much. Who want to help me? Another volunteer, please. Thank you. Okay. Let's run a scenario for the bear market. We'll go the bear market of last year in the summer. Please choose an index. IM50 without Bitcoin. IM50 altcoin. $1 million is good? Okay. Basically, we have the same columns where you see what was the market structure, the index structure when you invested, and which was the market structure at the cash out date. If we go down below, we see the performance, the return on investment. This is not something we can control. This is what market did. But look what Imperium 50 altcoins did compared to what Bitcoin did. So almost in every scenario, either we are referring to a bull market, either we are referring to a bear market, the indexes are performing almost every time better than Bitcoin. Okay. Thank you very much. The technician was very helpful. Let's go further with the presentation. Just one more thing I want to say to you as a closing thoughts. Okay, so I want to present you very quickly the 3 B's. Begin, build, and buy. Begin is still early for the crypto market and there's a lot of room to grow. So you must get involved in the market because time in the market beats timing the market. Okay, build. There are a lot of opportunities ahead if you keep and stay away from the noise, and also buy. It's a good time to accumulate, and as you know, it's never a bad time to buy crypto. Thank you for all this time. I was Liviu Manda. It was a pleasure and an honor to be in front of you. And one more thing, guys. I want to have a selfie with you to have a memory. It's okay for you to do that? Yeah, thank you very much.